What is going on? Welcome to this hobby of ours. I am in the Big Apple, the N, the Y, and the C. I'm about to go into the Windup Watch Fair. Got an interview scheduled with, there we go, Mr. Mike Pearson from Christopher Ward, and I'm going to go do a bunch of watch stuff. Let's check it out. What's up, big dog? Laurier team on the scene.
Maybe if they make the different little return sign, but that's like the classic little return sign. Everyone knows these mugs when I first got them. Well, it's the first sketch set. But I don't know. I haven't taken it off. This is basically
Excuse me. That's all right.
Well, you're starting good.
Knives and bourbon. Nothing better. Time to check out Vault. Carry it better. Tell me why Vault is awesome, sir.
Well, it's designed for people who want to carry specifically in the way that they want to carry. Our systems are all completely modular.
Oh, outstanding.
As you can see here, these panels are all out, but they have a Velcro backing that just can go in and out of the case super easy. That way you can use the panels independently. If you have different carry setups, you can swap them out super easy. This one is our largest case that has a TSA secure lock. So if you're in a country or state that requires your items to be locked, they can do so and be legal.
Pew pew and otherwise.
That, yeah. And also, like, we have a big audience in Germany. If you carry knives, they have to be in a lock case.
Wow, had no idea.
So our big audience in Germany, the back panel here is a maintenance panel. So if you take apart your watch to switch straps or doing maintenance on any other collectible, it just stops stuff from like swinging around or getting lost. And this one has a detachable shoulder strap so you can carry it around. If you need something smaller, we have the Nano here. It carries about 4 watches pretty comfortably, or 4 medium-sized pocket knives. Again, that one's modular, everything comes out. And this is like our mid-sized standard case that can hold about 8 or so watches or knives.
Outstanding. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Pardon me. Excuse me. Oh, thank you. I just want to get a quick shot. Appreciate you. Look at that camera work. Thanks, Rick, man. checking
natural.
out Urban Cred gear for your life in motion. Tell me why Urban Cred is the best cred in urban or otherwise environments.
So what we do is we curate a collection of high quality, functional, designer focused products, and it's ranged from Japan, Hong Kong, Germany, Italy, especially in the US. Bring them all into a collection for you guys to shop. And today we're here with Able Carry. They're also from Hong Kong, and they have a beautiful selection of bags as well. You just saw, high quality, functional, minimal, and beautiful in design. So yeah, that's us.
Great. Where's all my free stuff? Where's my
free stuff? Well, let me see. I
like green.
I have
anything in green. Dude, I'm just kidding.
I have $1. That's green. That's green. So
I'll tell you what. I'll take your business card instead, buddy.
all right, here we go. This is
Cool.
Urban Cred.
Brilliant.
Follow us.
All right, I'll hunt you down and I'll let you know when the video comes out.
Yes.
Thank you for coming along the ride, buddy. Wish you well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Exactly.
Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun.
You also made the $65.
Horace, round two.
Yes, sir. Yeah, so depending on the spec. It came from there. Yes, sir. Gotcha. They wear really well. Yeah, I really like this. Like the one the caliber 400 is upside. It's like a 58, 28, 24. The Selena 500 is very similar to the Venture. And essentially, they were because they were the manufacturing assembler for the NBA.
The Hall of G-Shock. A little bit of a history lesson.
Yeah,
Thank
right?
you.
No problem.
Very kind of you.
Yeah.
It's like a Casio G-Shock museum. Bloody brilliant. And then we got their wrist camera. Dude, that's rad. I wonder if they have the all gold one. Press. Do you know what these are? Is that a knife? What is that?
I mean, I like mine.
Well, this might have a knife. I think it's a knife that pulls out like
Like a switch?
like a box cutter blade.
Oh, really? Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh wait, this one.
That one's open? Got it. Thanks, McGann.
When he came to me, like that was when he came to me. Like, I want to make a No, I'm available. We're making sales. Things are going great. Okay, I'll give you a call.
Hello. How are you?
I have one more question for you. You seem like you're from the U.S. I always tell people I took an airplane. No,
And here we are at CW&T with...
Taylor. Hi.
Hi, I'm Sayway. Colin.
All right. Tell me all about CWT and why you guys are so awesome. I looked at your stuff online. Amazingly cool. I'm probably going to walk out of here with some of it. I'm not going to pay for it. I'm just going to walk out of here. Really cool stuff. Please tell me a little bit about it.
So we're a small design studio. We're based in Brooklyn. We make experimental timepieces, but also everyday stuff, like mostly tools for people who like to make things. That's Timeson's launch. This is pen type C. This is a bookmark pen, machined titanium.
Love me some titanium.
Like this. We anodize this in-house, which is what all these colors are. And yeah. And that's Solid State Watch. Solid State Watch is also an experimental timepiece. What we do is we take the inside of the Casio F91W
Right.
and set your time, and then permanently cast it in resin.
I've seen this on Theo and Harris. I think
Okay.
Mike had one, and it's locked. Can't change the battery.
You can't change the battery,
I
you
think
can't change the time.
It's unusual as it is cool. I love the idea. It's a way to sell more watches, though, isn't it? Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. All right, big question. What is the Hobby of Hours discount?
The Hobby of Hours discount?
Yeah.
10%.
How much do I get?
Oh.
10. 25.
25?
Yeah. All right, we'll work on that off camera.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the show. Very excited to see your stuff. Bill Bulova. Pardon me, sir.
It's coated.
Marky Mark's here. Good, how are you? Hello.
Can I have a photo? Please, yeah.
office. We'll be back for you, darling.
It is hard to show online. It's like most watches. Yeah, especially the hand finished things.
Because I have once it's on.
Once it's on, it won't go on.
Yeah. No, I like to have a lot.
But the idea really is that it like guards the form, it keeps the form of the tape.
Hello, how's it going?
Okay.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Vintage ads. That should be in my studio soon. Hanging out with C-Dub. Gosh, kind of crowded up with C-Dub today. Thank you. The man.
Oh, right.
Hey, how's it going? Hello, sir.
My picture, no? Press.
I thought you charged for autographs, sir. You want to give me an interview on that? You want to tell me about it?
Well, I live not too far from here, so I walked over, and I didn't know what to expect.
You know what?
Really.
Put your arms down. It looks like I'm holding you up for your wallet.
You want me
Put
to-
your arms down at your side.
Oh, I'm overwhelmed. I've been a collector my whole life.
What's your name, sir?
Steve.
Pleased to meet you, Steve. Are
Thank
you former
you.
airborne?
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Much respect.
It's a while ago. It was
101st?
yes, sir.
Outstanding.
When I had a 30-inch waist.
I don't remember when I had a
Well,
30-inch waist.
neither do I. But I've been a collector since I'm a kid, since I'm a very young kid, and I always bought classic watches and classic brands, and now I see this is exploded. And I look at all the watch blogs. I look at Watch Pro site.
Do you follow Hobby of Hours?
No, but I will.
Outstanding, sir.
I will. Hobby of Hours, and you're a news
YouTube.
watch media.
YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't watch it, but only because you have such a nice T-shirt, I will.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, but that's my story. I'm intrigued
Yeah.
by these, and
What have you seen here that, today that you liked and enjoyed the most?
well,
Anything strike your fancy?
no, I haven't seen. I've got my my niece's husband,
Yeah.
who was very early 40s, has carried a mobile phone in his pocket his whole life, and he asked me a couple of weeks ago, said he wants to buy a watch. He wants my advice.
Came to the right man.
He came to the right person. I didn't want to say go buy a very expensive watch. I didn't. I think he would go into shock.
Yeah.
He can afford it, but that's not the point. But
Not
I
the
think
point.
he would be very impressed with this it's fashion.
Yeah. A lot of interesting brands here, Steve.
I am very much impressed. I don't want to say overwhelmed, but impressed.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And your service. Be well.
Thank you, sir.
Hobbyofhours.com.
Okay, thank you very much. What is your name, sir?
My name's D.
D?
D.
Nice to talk to you.
I know you. You're good.
I'm local. I live in Jersey City, which is just across the river. Are you guys going to see the water park? Funny enough.
Erebus, no Jody. Hello. Hello. Let's see if we can roll up on Doxa here. Man on the Street interview with Watch Miss GMT. Miss GMT ran into her and her beau at Oris last night, ran into her again, accused them of following me to get a laugh out of them. And they just gave me some fabulous parking advice. I'm going to keep it secret so it doesn't get out there. But what do you think about the show so far?
The show has been awesome. I just got here at Windup, but as you just mentioned, Oris last night was amazing. If you didn't go, you definitely at least have to stop by today, say hello to Josh and the team, and definitely get a photo with the Oris Fair.
Yeah, no doubt. Are you guys going to Watch Time on Sunday?
Absolutely, you will see me there. I'll be there all weekend. If you find me at any watch event, just come say hello. I'd be happy to take a photo with you.
What about Watches of Switzerland? They've got the touring watches that are up for the awards. It's open through Monday. I'm going to try and sneak in on Monday.
Oh yes, that's awesome. You'll have to let me know when you're going.
Absolutely. Thank you for stopping by, saying hello, and taking the time.
Thank you.
Good, good. Excuse me, do you mind if I get a photo of that? Thank you.
This thing is ridiculous. It's like, I think it's like $60,000 a set.
You have to
with the maker of Darwell. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm good, thank you.
I think these watches are fairly beautiful. How long have you been making watches?
Our brand since 1910.
The brand's been around since when?
1910.
1910?
True, yes.
Have you been working there ever since then? You must be a vampire.
No, I'm here for 20 years.
Oh, 30 years?
20.
Oh, 20. Wow. It's sorry, brother. It's so noisy here today.
Yep.
But this one is particularly beautiful.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it.
This is our mass collections using the automatic movement, and because of the vintage looking, the subdials, and with the second hand.
What's the price on something like this one?
It's about 1,500.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
That is not bad at all.
Here's another brand, Coin Watch, from the same factory in Switzerland. We have 2 in-house brands. So Coin Watch is more sport and modern looking. Darwell is more classic and vintage.
Yeah. Wow. Love it. That is like...
This is our 40 years old anniversary. Coin Watch is 40 years old this year.
What would that one cost me?
This one is about 3,800.
3,800. Not bad.
Yeah.
Really cool. I'm so glad I stopped by your shop, your setup here. Can't go wrong with a name like Darwell. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
And based on the number of people that are asking about it, I would say be there Thursday at 11.
Hanging out at Islander, checking out Gentry Labs. Love it. Need to speak with Mark or TGV about borrowing one of these. That is fairly epic. And when does this one go on sale?
Thursday.
Thursday. Thursday. Watch fans.
7 o'clock.
Outstanding. Thank you, sir. If you'd like to support the channel, head over to hobbyofhours.com. We've got artwork, coffee mugs, hats, t-shirts, and even a watch book. 1001 Watch Designs, Volume 1. Over 1,000 designs in here. Steampunk, super futuristic, kaleidoscope, even super real ones. Watches that you could probably put on your wrist today. It's a great way to support the channel. Thanks for coming along on the ride.